Okay, so I saw a lizard over here. We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. What? Okay. Let's just. Ew. Well, kinda. We kinda grew corn. My first stab at corn. Out of all that corn, I got 3 ears. And they're looking crazy. Look at that one. Look at this one. It's got bugs on it. I already killed a bug. Look at this one. Yep. Oh, darn. That one actually, yeah, no. Look at that. So, at least I got started. Out of those stalks, I got this. But now we got to figure out, now that we can grow it, how can we keep stuff from eating it? You know? That's just wild. So, learning. So next year, we'll do better. Okay, so I did grow corn. I was successful at growing it. I grew corn. So yay for that. I don't know if I harvested too late. Was it the rain, the excessive rain that we've been getting? I don't want to use like crazy pesticides. I don't know. If anybody has any help, let me know. I'm new at this. I'm new at being a corn grower. Say that 5 times fast. Corn grower. Let me know. And good luck. I hope your garden's going well. Bonus footage. Oh, you get away from that. Okay, so I have bugs on the cantaloupe. How can I save these? They're okay right now. I don't want it to be like this one. That's just a habitat. Somebody help me. What do I put on it? What do I do to save these two? Help me.